Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we're going to learn how to add a hamburger style menu onto our Wix Harmony site if a clean minimalist site is what you're creating. So here's how you can do it. Go to the add button on the upper left and then go to all in order to expand the list of categories. Look for menu and select it. And from here, look for hamburger menu and then click see all to see their complete list of layouts of their hamburger style menu that you can choose from. Once you select a hamburger menu style that you'd like to use, simply drag and drop it to your header or to wherever you want to place it and position it properly. And if you'd ever like to manage the items inside your hamburger style menu, click on it and click on this drop down over here. Make sure to enter the hamburger menu mode so that you should be able to see all of the items listed here. Now click on your menu items or menu items element and click on manage menu. And from here, you can add several more items to your menu if in case you want to. And here you can also manage your menu items individually. So you can simply click the three dot button next to your item or next to the item you want to work on and choose what you want to do from the options available. You can also rearrange your menu items according to your preferred order. And once you're done, your changes should automatically be saved. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.